How to change Amazon Prime password. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to learn how to change the Amazon Prime password. First, go to Amazon's website or app, sign in, hover over Accounts and Lists. Select your account and select Login and Security. In the Login and Security section, click Edit next to the password field. Now, enter your current password, then type a new strong password mix of upper or lowercase letters, numbers, symbols, and confirm it. Then, click Save Changes, which will sign you out of other devices and ensure your new password is immediately active. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link on the sign-in page to receive a verification code via email or SMS and reset it. After updating, consider enabling two-step verification (MFA) or using passkeys to strengthen account security going forward. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.